Here we go, got the bumpers connected. We're on the roof rack, look at that. Proper job. Very nice. That's not coming off, is it? No, that's solid. Yeah, it's looking good.
You know what they say, you want to drop it in properly, do it yourself.
Get Wayne to do it, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're on brake light.
Yeah.
Just testing it.
Gorgeous. Well done, Wayne. You're very good. I'm surprised you can reach that high. What are you drinking, Nick?
Caramel salted vodka. It's very nice.
Yeah, a little advert there. What are you doing? Make my front suspension better?
Stuff and wood. That's what I was going to do, but I found some bits of wood now, so
Oh, yeah. Always wedge wood in the front.
we've got three down there as well.
Oh, that's good, yeah. Get as much in there as you can. That'd be great. We haven't actually tried the brakes yet. I bet they might stick on. They're looking like they might do.
Someone in it?
No, yeah, no. We got brake lights yet, Jake?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Brilliant. Hole for the roof numbers there. Just a hole in the fuel tank for a bolt in that, and I think we're somewhere near ready to start up and see if it moves.
Brakes on, Morgan.
Turn off.
Oh, that's good. They're not stuck. That's
It
handy.
doesn't lock. That's good. That's all right. We just wanted to see if it would stick on.
Yeah. How's your clutch idea there? Don't know yet, do we?
It's still working.
Wants a bit of a return
it's
spring
going
on it,
up
doesn't
and
it?
Yeah, it was very tight.
Without running it.
Actually, what it probably wants is a bit of lubrication.
That's all anybody needs. That's what Wayne wants.